Hey Wendy, what's up? How you doing? Okay, I've got your work up, and your writing was pretty interesting. I thought something that you said kind of makes me wonder a little bit. I can't see it in the GIF, but you say that you moved the main background image from the magazine to the magazine ad and moved it until you found the crop view that suited your design. So I'm guessing that you took this image, placed it in here, moved it around, found it, and then I don't know what you did from there. But I tell you what might give me a good idea is this. What is that? That's row 5 to edit. Okay, so if I look at that, that should give me some information here. And we take a look at that image, that size, file size is only 812 kilobytes, which is not only, it's still pretty big. It's too big for a banner, but this isn't a class in web media. But I'm not real sure. I don't think that you left the whole image in there. So what I'm getting at is this, Wendy, is that when you take your image, what you do is you figure out what area, instead of taking this image and putting it in here and moving it around to see what you like, I would recommend you take that size of rectangle, put it in here, decide what you like, then crop that in Photoshop and just use the crop version in your banner. That's going to save you a ton of file size. Now, I'm not real sure. Forgive me if I'm misunderstanding, if that's exact. You're probably going, well, wait, that's exactly what I did. So, I don't know. There's a good chance I'm misunderstanding. If I am, I'm sorry. I just want to make that specifically clear. I think this headline is so much better than that real chiseled, beveled, and embossed effect that you had. I think this is a lot better. I really do. This piece is good, but there's one thing that I'm thinking of, and well, there's two things. One has to do with alignment, and the other has to do with the completion of the message. Let's talk about alignment first. Right now, it looks like you're aligning that S to the very outside of the tail of that S right there, which you should be aligning a little, push that in a little bit. Right now, it looks out of alignment. It's an illusion. It probably is in alignment, but since that you've got two curved edges, it's creating an illusion, making this look like it's further to the left, which also makes this look like it's further to the left because it's aligned with the subhead. Easy fix there. Select the subhead and the logo. Just nudge them over a couple of pixels to the right. Okay. The other part is that you say spring special, spectacular savings you'll level. That's an incomplete idea because in a banner, we don't know that you're talking about the spot. So you're going, so I would go spot tech. What is that? And then I kind of see, so I'm just thinking maybe something else. Spectacular savings you will love only in our spa. Something like that. I don't know. Available only in our spa, or click to see our spa specials, or something that ties this in with the whole ad. You see what I'm saying? Let's jump over here. And I think this is a gorgeous ad. I really do. I am typically not a big fan of complex ads like this. I think the background is really super complex. It's difficult to work with, as you well know. But it's working. It's definitely working. So I'm cool with this. Headline looks great. Headline's a little bit high in the composition. I'd move that down. Maybe start the headline right where maybe the baseline is. Maybe somewhere right around there. And then I'm seeing the same alignment thing going on. Only here, this will be easier because I'll be able to draw a guide here. So let me pull a guide out. I'm going to pull a guide out to that S right there. And see, yes, you're aligned, and that's exactly what I thought. You're definitely in alignment, but the illusion is that you aren't, and that's caused by both of these curved edges on the S. Like I said, easy fix. Select that, and that part of the address. Nudge them in a couple pixels. Other than that, I think this is a gorgeous ad. I think it's fantastic. Really, really good job on the image and placement of everything. Masking looks phenomenal. Typography looks great. Really outstanding work. And great job on this too. I mean, you're right in there. Great job. Thanks, Wanda.